morning. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you looked up tubing benders. So let me give you a few hints if I can. I bought this from a friend of mine. I got it with 3 dies. I bought it with an inch, inch and a half, an inch and 3/4, and 2-inch die. That's pretty much everything I'll be doing with it. Roll bar tubing, which I normally bought and then put in people's cars or put in my own cars. Now I'm going to bend my own, and of course 2-inch exhaust system, which I can bend with this now. So those are the dies I bought. When I picked this up from a friend of mine, and I got it pretty cheap, I bought everything you see here. First thing I did is weld on a receptacle to put into the back hitch of my truck, because you're not bolting this thing to the floor. It'll just pull it right out of the floor. So I welded this onto it, stuck it in the back of my truck, and I bent my first piece of pipe with it. Alright, I've decided that's where it's going to sit. So I'm going to actually plasma cut right through here and there and put in 1/2-inch bolts. I can plasma cut it because I have a plasma cutter. Let me get my gloves on and we'll get at it. Alright, so the front bracket, that's going to get welded up on top of here. So this will still be able to come apart if you need to transport it in a car. So it ended up to be 16.5 inches. So let me get some grinding done and I'll get back to you on what we're going to do. Okay, I ground the paint off. I plasma cut the other side. I just turned it over and marked it and plasma cut the hole on the other side. And I'm waiting for a friend of mine to get here that I'm teaching how to weld. I'm going to let him weld this in. So this will go right there. And then we will plasma cut the other holes. And we'll be bolting it together as soon as he gets here and gets it welded up. Spray in the tip, buddy. Okay. That just keeps the slag from building up in the tip. You ready? Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Hold it down tight, pull the trigger and let it blow through, and then follow the hole. Don't be scared of it. Alright, so we've got it mounted to the engine stand. Now it's easy to roll around. Today's project is mount air over hydraulics on it. Air assist on hydraulics. I'm working on the bracket. There's the bracket. Working on the bracket to put it together to make air over hydraulics. So it works really well. I've already bent a piece of pipe on it. It works fabulous. Okay, there it is. Bolted onto the pump and bracket top, bracket on the bottom. I do know this bolt is already bent on me a little bit, so I'll be replacing that to the size of the shaft in here, this hole, so I'll increase that.